you're looking for inner peace and for tranquility? Do you want to relax? Then make it direct comfortable. With your inhale, you activate yourself. It's your sympathicus from the nervous system. With the exhale, you release and you can relax more. And this is your parasympathicus. So we want to focus to release right now, to relax more in the moment. Inhale, feel the activation. Exhale, release. It's like the birth. Inhale, exhale, release what you don't need anymore. Inhale and long exhale. Focus more on the long exhale. Inhale deeply and exhale as long as you can. Relax yourself with your breath.